So in last video we saw how to get values from the DB in MySQL database with the help of Flask. In this video we will insert the values in the MySQL database with the help of Flask. So if we currently look at the state, we have 3 values, and if you look at the database also it matches the outcome. Okay, let's create this function. So I'm just quickly going to write the comment route to insert value in DB, and then we need to create that route. So def function insert item, and then I will start the try catch block. Exception as E. I will just complete the exception block right now only. Then we need to return the justify as we got the error. So error, and the error itself in the string form. Okay, let's complete the try block now. So here we will get like data. Yeah, before this I think we need to write this kind of thing to create the route. Yeah, basically we need to create the route. So slash items and method will be post. Okay, now data equal to in the request we will ask for JSON data, and then we will receive a name, item name basically. So data dot get name, and then we need to execute the query. Yeah, so I will just copy this line, cursor dot execute. I will modify it, and here we need to insert value. So insert into items is our table name, and then column name, it is the name, and then values and the values itself. So percentages comma name. Okay, and then we need to commit this thing. So db underscore connection dot commit. Okay, now it will be return to our DB, and after that we need to return JSONify in message item inserted success. Okay, so if this is done then it will return. If it is error then it will throw error. Okay, let's save this program and restart it. Okay, invalid syntax. What is wrong with this? Yeah, we need to start the colon. Yeah, we need to give the colon. Okay, it is running. Now if I go to post line and make request to get items, yeah, I get the items. And if I change this to post and then go to raw or change this to JSON and write here name, item name, to insert the item name in DB, let's just write laptop. And if I make the request, yeah, the item gets inserted in DB. Only 3 items, and if I refresh now, I get the 4th item as laptops, and our route is also working. So if I go to gates and send request, the 4th item is there. Okay, that's it for this video. In the next video we will see how to update the item